I love packing. It feels like playing Tetris when I'm putting my outfits together and what I'm going to bring on my trip and fitting it all into a carry-on. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can travel light, what to pack to have everything you need, and stop overpacking for things that you're not going to actually wear or use. So me and my family are getting ready to take a 5-night trip to San Diego. That's only about 2.5 hours from where we are in Los Angeles. So we're not actually going to get on a plane to fly, but I would be packing the exact same way if we were going somewhere on a flight. It's important to me to only travel with a carry-on. It just makes it so much easier. You can hop on and off wherever you're going. You don't have to stand around and wait for your bag to come off the conveyor belt, and you never have to worry about your bag getting lost. And these are some of the reasons that for me, it works so much better to just have a carry-on. So I'm going to show you the items that I'm bringing, why I chose these pieces, the outfits I plan on putting together with these pieces, and then how to actually pack them into just one carry-on bag. And I want to thank Level 8 for sponsoring this video. They are a New York City born brand that makes beautiful travel luggage and suitcases. And I'm using their carry-on in this beautiful blush shade to pack for my trip. And if blush isn't your color, this exact carry-on suitcase also comes in black, gray, olive, and navy. This bag also comes in larger sizes if you are someone that really wants to pack in a carry-on but needs something a little bit bigger. I love how incredibly lightweight this suitcase is, and I love that this carry-on has 360-degree spinner wheels, especially because I'm traveling with my husband, my daughter, and my dog. So there's usually a lot of things that we're carrying. And I also love that this suitcase has 2 large zippered compartments, and one is mesh so you can actually see what you've packed. And then on the other side, there's also 2 smaller zipper pockets, which I think for this size of a bag, to be able to have that extra place to organize in those zipper pockets is great. And if you are flying, this has a TSA approved lock on it as well. So I'm definitely going to be using this suitcase the next time I'm traveling by plane. And when you use my special code ERICA10, you'll get 10% off. When you're packing for a trip, whether it's just for a long weekend or if it's a longer trip that's a few weeks, and you just want to pack in a carry-on, I think one of the easiest ways to do that is to work with a color palette. Now, if you have a capsule wardrobe or a foundation in your closet, then you most likely have certain colors that go together and are versatile and easily mix and match. So that's the first thing you want to think about, is the colors you want to bring. So you'll see here the colors that I chose, and this really just ended up working out this way, but it was the pieces that I wanted to bring. They really work in a blush or a pink tone, and also black colors. And those are 2 of my neutrals that I like in my capsule wardrobe. So when you're sticking to a color palette, and yours can be more than 2 colors, but if it's 3 colors or 4 colors, and you're choosing items in this color palette, you're gonna have a lot of different ways that you can put those outfits together. The next thing you wanna think about is to make sure you're bringing some of your higher quality basic neutral pieces with you. The pieces that you can dress up or dress down. When I'm traveling and I just want to have a carry-on, I'm not packing multiple outfits, different outfits for every day. I'm packing pieces that I know can make 2 or 3 outfits with the other pieces that I'm bringing. This is what's going to really help you bring less pieces when you travel. And one thing to consider when you are taking into account the versatility of the pieces you're bringing is, what is the weather going to be when you're there? When we're going to San Diego, the temperature is going to be fluctuating. It's going to be cooler in the morning, cooler in the evening, and warmer during the day. So an important thing for me to think about is I want pieces that I can layer with each other. I want pieces that I can wear if it's hot, that are sleeveless, but then I also want to bring a jacket that I can layer, or a sweater that I can put over an outfit if the temperature starts to get cooler. So having these versatile pieces that work and mix and match with each other, and then bringing layering pieces like cardigans or jackets or sweaters, or if your style fits more with a button-up shirt that you can leave open and over a top, those are the pieces that are going to be really helpful to bring with you. I chose to bring this pink sweater, and it's a cashmere sweater that really works with different temperatures. So if it's cooler, it'll help keep me warm, but if the temperature gets a little bit warmer, it'll also help keep my body temperature regulated. That's what cashmere does. It kind of works more with your body temperature. And it's so easy to wear this piece with a lot of different bottoms, but the way I'm thinking about it as a layer is that I can also wear it over a dress, or I can also wear it over a tank top. The other layering piece I'm bringing is this black leather moto jacket. And this is a piece that, again, I can dress up, I can dress down. It gives me that extra layer of warmth if I need it. But this is so easy to wear during the day. So I can wear this over a tank top. I can wear this over a sweater. And I can wear this over a dress. I like the versatility of this piece. It will really work with the other things I'm bringing. And then other than this sweater that I can wear on its own or as a layer, I'm bringing 3 other tops. I'm bringing the one I'm wearing now. It's this corally pink tank that's a bit thicker. It's versatile, it's classic, it fits me well, and I can wear it underneath my moto jacket, or I can wear it on its own if it's warmer. And I'm actually bringing the same exact tank in black because for me, it's such a classic basic staple, and it's really easy to dress down. I can wear this with a pair of jeans for daytime and my flat sandals, or even my sneakers if we're gonna be doing a lot of walking. But it's just as easy to pair with a sandaled heel and my moto jacket if we're going out to dinner. And the other top I'm bringing is my pink silk button-up shirt. And this for me is such a capsule essential. It's a wardrobe staple. Again, it's super easy to style for daytime. If we're out walking around, grabbing a coffee, grabbing lunch, I will just roll the sleeves up and I'll do a little French tuck into my jeans, and I can wear this with my flat sandals. So it's that perfect casual look for daytime. And in the evening, I can wear it with my jeans and my heels for more of a night out. And if I'm cold, I can also put my leather moto jacket on top. And other than my denim jeans that I'm bringing, the only other bottoms I'm bringing is my black silk midi skirt, which I can style with the tank I'm wearing now, or my black tank. If it's a little colder, I can wear it with my pink sweater. And again, it easily goes from day to night. I can style it with my flat sandals or my sneakers for daytime, or I can wear it with my heeled sandals for evening. And then the only other bottom I'm bringing is a pair of joggers. Now these are my Quince Cashmere black joggers, and they're super comfortable. They're kind of perfect for this early fall weather, and they're just as versatile. I can, again, wear them with all the tops I'm bringing, even the silk shirt if I want to be a little bit dressier, or I can wear it with my tanks or my sweater. And it's just, they're easy, they're comfortable. I can wear them if it's a little bit cooler that day. And because they're black, they go with everything else I'm bringing. And the last clothing item I'm bringing is one dress. And again, I love that it's this pink floral color, and it will easily work for daytime if I'm gonna wear it with my black flat sandals, but it also dresses up for the evening. I can wear it with my heeled sandals and put on my leather jacket if it's cooler. And it's just, again, it's something that I can easily dress for day or night. Those are the things to think about when you want to pack light. And then I'm gonna be bringing one bag, and for me, I chose to bring my Gucci crossbody bag. So this works perfect for daytime. It's crossbody, so it's hands-free, which is great when we have the dog and we have my daughter and we're just kind of out doing things. But then it also works when we're going out to dinner, if we're going somewhere in the evening. It helps to just really polish and complete an outfit. And then I'm bringing 3 pairs of shoes to mix and match with my outfits. So I'm gonna wear my black flat sandals, and those are just, again, those easily work for daytime, they work for evening, so I feel like they're a really versatile pair of shoes. And then I'm bringing my sneakers that will work for daytime and when we're out walking and exploring. And then I'm gonna bring one pair of heeled sandals, and they're in this blush color. And this is if I wanna be a little bit more dressed up in the evening. And I feel like a heeled sandal is such an easy way to take a look from casual or daytime to evening. So when I start packing, I like to put my jeans on the bottom. So I fold them in half, and then I fold them lengthwise, about the length of the luggage or the carry-on here. And then I use the straight line of the jeans to match the straight line of the suitcase. I think it's helpful to pack the heavier items on the bottom. I'm gonna pack my leather jacket, and the way I like to do it is I kind of turn it inside out. I don't turn it all the way inside out, but just to protect the leather. And then I fold the sleeves down, and again I put it just next to the jeans towards the bottom of the suitcase. And then I'm gonna take my cashmere joggers, I'm gonna fold them in half. And the next thing I like to do with some of these pieces, I'm gonna fold them in half again, and then I'm gonna roll them up as tight as I can. And then I'm gonna put them in the suitcase. I'm gonna do that with my sweater as well. I'm gonna fold it inwards, and then I'm gonna roll it up. The next thing I'm going to pack is my dress. Now, I like to turn some of my more designer pieces inside out, again, just to make sure to protect them. That's just my own personal preference. I'm going to flip it inside out. And actually, because the skirt is bigger, I'm actually going to fold it into thirds. And then from here, I'm going to roll it up. Then I'm going to pack my silk shirt, and again, for this one too, I'm going to turn it inside out. I'm going to fold the sleeves in, put it longwise, and again, I'm going to just roll it as tight as I possibly can. Then I have my black tank. I'm going to fold this into thirds and roll this up as well. And I'm going to put the pieces next to each other, almost like a little puzzle. I like to keep all my shoe bags when I get a new pair of shoes, and I like to use these to put my shoes in when I'm traveling. So I'm gonna put my sneakers in here. And then I like to flip them upside down. So the sole is actually on the bottom, the flat part. And then I'm gonna pack my heels and put those right there. So I'm wearing my other tank and my skirt, and then I'm also wearing my other flat sandals. So I don't need to pack those. And then I'm gonna zip this up. And on this side, I'm gonna put my pajamas, my undergarments, my bathing suit, my flip-flops for the pool, and my toiletries, and that'll all fit into there easily. So this side really has my everyday looks, and this side will have all the kind of essentials that I need. So I hope this packing video and travel video was helpful for you for your next trip so that you can pack light in a carry-on. And again, I want to thank Level 8 for sponsoring this video. Remember to use code ERICA10 for 10% off your Level 8 travel purchase. And I'll link my exact suitcase down in the description box, and I'll put the code there as well so that next time you travel, you can travel in a chic carry-on like this one. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next week.